Throughout the summer and across the state, Idaho Reports continues in-depth reporting online on issues that affect you. This week on the podcast, how to get college students vaccinated, a discussion with Chris Owens from Idaho State University. Then Alex Adams from the Division of Financial Management talks about the state's record surplus. And this week on the blog, the cost of fighting wildfire in Idaho. Find the links at idahoptv.org/Idaho Reports. While you're there, sign up to receive weekly blog posts right to your inbox.